I'm Jane Foster and I'm the Operations Coordinator for the charity Hope for Tomorrow. Hope for Tomorrow is a dedicated charity that brings cancer care closer to patients' homes. We partner with the NHS. They have the unit and they use the unit and provide a driver and the nursing staff. Hope for Tomorrow maintain the unit, i.e. tax, regular servicing, making sure the unit is roadworthy. Before FleetCheck, the fleet was run basically on spreadsheets, Outlook alerts, and it was just very time consuming. Things were getting missed, and it got to a point where we realised we really did need something to bring everything together, where everything was in the same place, we knew where everything was. FleetCheck helped hugely. It means we can put everything into one place, all the documentation can be uploaded and it's all there. From an audit activity point of view as well, we know that everything's done correctly and nothing gets missed. Results we've seen from using FleetCheck, I think it means that we are definitely more compliant, we are much more professional, we can offer a professional service to our customers, we ultimately are more efficient in what we do, and that saves time and money, so that's got to be a good thing.